everyone, this is Lucy with WTI, and these are the doggy waste bags from Downtown Pet Supply. The extra colored bags also look amazing. Gives it a little unique look to it. It also had 2 waste bag holders, which is perfect because I have 2 dogs. Absolutely love the color combination here, orange and blue. I think it looks cute. I think it's different, unique from all the other ones. I love that it has its nice ring here, so you can attach it to your leash. It's pretty big and flexible. I do like the size of it. It's pretty sizable. And just show you how easy it is to open up. And then take care of business by picking it up. These doggy bags are really good for the price, and that's my point of view.